Hello, everyone. Ever wondered about wealth attainment, what it is, and how it works? Well, it's more than just a pretty bank balance or a fancy car in your driveway. It's about financial freedom, the ability to live life on your own terms, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're financially secure. It's a journey, not a destination. And like any journey, it's important to have a map. Today, we're going to delve into the most practical ways to attain wealth. We'll explore what wealth truly means, share some handy tips on how to get there, and highlight common pitfalls you do well to steer clear of. Whether you're just starting out or you've been on this journey for a while, there's always more to learn. So what do you think when you hear the words wealth attainment? Share your thoughts in the comments below. First, let's demystify the concept of wealth. Wealth, a term often misunderstood, is more than just a bank statement with a lot of zeros. It's a multifaceted concept, encompassing a variety of forms and dimensions. One of the most common forms of wealth is financial wealth. This includes cash, stocks, bonds, and other forms of monetary assets. But it's not just about how much money you have right now. It's about your ability to generate income and grow your financial resources over time. Next, we have real estate wealth. Owning property, whether it's residential, commercial, or agricultural, is a tangible form of wealth. These properties can appreciate in value over time or generate income through rental fees or business operations. Business investments are yet another form of wealth. Owning a stake in a business, whether it's a small family-owned operation or a large multinational corporation, can be a valuable wealth-generating asset. Successful businesses can provide a steady stream of income and potentially large payouts if the business is sold or goes public. Finally, let's not forget about intellectual property. This form of wealth includes patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets. Intellectual property can be a significant source of wealth, especially in our modern, knowledge-based economy. Think of the software developer who creates a groundbreaking app, or the author who writes a best-selling novel. Their wealth lies in their ideas and their ability to monetize those ideas. So, as you can see, wealth is a complex concept that goes beyond just money. It's about owning assets that can generate income and increase in value over time. It's about creating a sustainable and growing source of resources that can provide financial security and open up opportunities for you and your loved ones. Remember, wealth is not just about having money, it's about having assets that can generate income. So, let's dive deeper into the practical ways of attaining wealth in our next segment. Now, let's dive into some practical ways to attain wealth. First up on our list is the age-old advice: save and invest. It's not just about stashing away every penny you earn. Saving is about smart budgeting, cutting unnecessary expenses, and prioritizing your financial goals. And then comes investing. The money you save shouldn't just sit in your bank account. Let your money work for you. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or a small business, investing can turn your savings into a growing wealth pool. Next, let's talk about diversifying income streams. In today's unpredictable economic climate, relying on a single source of income can be risky. Multiple income streams can provide a safety net and increase your earning potential. This could mean a side hustle, rental income, freelance work, or even passive income streams like dividends from investments. Now, this next tip might seem a bit offbeat, but it's crucial. Invest in yourself. You are your most valuable asset. This could mean furthering your education, learning a new skill, or investing time in personal development. The more you enhance your skills and knowledge, the more opportunities you open up for yourself. Another practical tip is using debt wisely. Yes, you heard it right. Not all debt is bad. There's a difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is an investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income. Taking out a loan to fund your education or buy a home can be good debt. On the other hand, bad debt includes things like credit card debt from unnecessary spending. So use debt to your advantage, but tread carefully. Also, remember to protect your wealth. This might involve getting the right insurance to protect your assets, setting up an emergency fund for unexpected expenses, or even estate planning to ensure your wealth is passed on according to your wishes. Last but not least, be patient and consistent. Wealth accumulation is not an overnight process. It takes time, discipline, and consistent effort. The wealthiest people didn't get there overnight. They were patient, they were consistent, and they stayed the course even when things got tough. And there you have it. Practical tips for wealth attainment: save and invest. Diversify your income, invest in yourself, use debt wisely, protect your wealth, and be patient and consistent. But remember, these are just guidelines. Everyone's financial journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. So, take these tips, tweak them to fit your situation, and start on your path to wealth. Do your research, make informed decisions, and don't be afraid to seek professional advice if needed. With these tips, you're well on your way to attaining wealth. But remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. While wealth attainment is achievable, there are some common pitfalls you should avoid. Starting off, a big one is the lack of financial education. Many people dive headfirst into the journey of wealth attainment without equipping themselves with the knowledge they need. Like a ship setting sail without a compass, they are likely to drift off course. To ensure you stay on track, it's crucial to understand the basics of finance, investing, and the economy. There are countless resources available, from books to online courses, that can give you a solid foundation. Next, we must address poor money management. Many aspiring wealth builders fail to realize that it's not just about how much money you make, but also how you manage it. Without a budget or a plan, it's easy to fall into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck, no matter how much you earn. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your income, expenses, savings, and investments. This allows you to make informed decisions and helps prevent unnecessary financial stress. The third common mistake is impulsive spending. This can be a significant roadblock on your path to wealth. Impulsive spending often leads to accumulating debts and can prevent you from saving and investing effectively. It's essential to differentiate between wants and needs, and to think long-term when making financial decisions. Remember, every dollar spent impulsively is a dollar not invested towards your wealth. Lastly, many people neglect the importance of patience in wealth attainment. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, discipline, and consistency. Rushing into investments without proper research or trying to find a quick fix to financial problems often leads to disappointment. In conclusion, wealth attainment is a journey that requires knowledge, planning, discipline, and patience. By educating yourself financially, managing your money wisely, avoiding impulsive spending, and cultivating patience, you can navigate through the common pitfalls that many encounter. Avoiding these mistakes will keep you on the right track to wealth attainment. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you've learned something valuable. We've delved into the meaning of wealth, not just in terms of money, but in terms of the richness brought by health and truth. We've also shared practical tips to attain wealth, and I trust these nuggets of wisdom will inspire you to take action. Remember, financial independence is achievable if you're willing to put in the work. Avoid those common mistakes we discussed, and keep your eyes on the prize. If you've already started applying some of these tips, or if you have your own wealth-building experiences to share, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. As we wrap up, I want to remind you to like and subscribe to the Wealth, Health, and Truth channel on YouTube. We've what you want. Your support helps us keep the videos coming. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep aiming for wealth, health, and truth.